Good morning. Welcome to coffeewithcfo.com. Today we are going to discuss a very revolutionary idea that is very much upcoming in Indian market. It's called virtual CFO. What is a virtual CFO? It's a normal CFO. It's not different. It takes care of the entire financial health of the company. It makes sure that the health of the company, the financial health of the company is best. It normally help in maintaining the books of accounts of the company the best possible way. That means as per the industry, as per the requirement of the client, we do maintain the books of accounts. Now, without budget, nothing is going to happen. Every year, each and every client is making budgets. We help making the proper budget and the planning for the same. Cash flow are very important in the business. Really, cash is the king. Well said. We help to maintain the proper cash flow in the organization so that the company will not go cash vacant. We help to maintain the account receivable and the account payable. Banking relationships, every company has to maintain a standard relations with the bank nowadays. No company can run if the banking relationships are not good. So it required a technical expertise how to interact with the banks and get the best out of that for the company. Audit support. Every year, monthly, quarterly, as per the government regulation, audit has to happen. We ensure smooth audit processing. MIS and reporting. Every company is making the MIS as per its requirement. It's normally tailor made. What happens? The normal accountants cannot meet the requirement of the business entrepreneurs. What exactly MIS is required to take the business decisions? We do formatting of the MIS to get the best information out of that. Reconciliation services. While in the regular business transactions, number of mistakes happens, number of hanky-panky happens. So the virtual CFO make a standard process of the reconciliation so that the small problem cannot grow as a big problem. Ensuring tax compliances. We ensure that all the type of tax being GST, being income tax, other tax should be properly monitored and paid on time so that the company do not come in the technical hassles. After all, the year-end accounting. At the year-end accounting, most of the companies are struggling to get the what is the exact picture, what is the profit, what is the scenario, what we've done throughout the year. If we make a robust accounting system, the year-end accounting system will be smooth, good, and the entrepreneur can think where the company has reached this year and where to go in the next year. Now, what is the benefit of the virtual CFO? He is available with you whenever you require. He may not sitting all the day with you, but whenever required, he is available. We can plan it. It is very much flexible with the requirement of the organization timings. Now, it's a very high skill assistance. Normally, if the company go to hire such kind of technical skills, they have to pay a lot more. But with the help of virtual CFO, this is very much handy. Virtual CFO also provide number of valued services like number of licenses, number of certifications. They have a tie up the good experts entire city, entire country. So you are not going to run after run each and every problem. You need to focus on your business only. The most important thing, it fits the requirement of the startups, small and middle sized firms. Startups and middle sized firms cannot afford to have a full time CFO. They have to pay a big salary. Even if they pay the big salary, it is very much difficult that they are going to retain them. Everybody has their own career path. They may move away, but virtual CFO is such a service. It can stand with you throughout the life of the business. Now, hiring of a full-time CFO, as I said, is too costly, as is critical. Even if you try to hire, even if you're ready to pay the money, what is the guarantee you are going to get the right person, right time? We know for such time of position, the normal notice period is sometimes more than 3 months. So 1 to 2 months you will start time. You need time to find out a person. Now 3 months you wait for the notice. Hmm. After getting, the person will get few months to understand the business, and after a few months you're ready to leave. And last 3 months you're serving the notice. Where are you? Your business is on suspense. This concept is getting highly popular, rather very much usual in the country like US, Europe, Singapore, even I have seen in Dubai also. Further, the charges of the virtual CFO are very much normal. The startups, small firms can easily afford it. The virtual CFO has the experience of number of countries, number of companies, number of industries. So it is the best resource which can help you to grow in the best possible way. They are always equipped with the most advanced solution that is required by the organization. Now, apart from that, how we work? We set weekly meeting, fortnightly meeting, we set weekly target, we see how much you have achieved, what is to be achieved, make proper strategic plan, we develop a best class system for you, we set up a best class accounting and financial process for you. At the same time, we are training your employees so that you can get best outcome out of that. And apart from that, you'll also get number of technical supports. Now, what to pay? So much services, so much quality services, number of assistants. The payment can be done even on the hourly basis or even the monthly basis as per your suitability. The most important thing is that the startup companies need to focus on their core areas, their dream areas, what they exactly want to achieve. Technically called, each and every entrepreneur is the CEO of their business. CEO stand for Chief Executive Officer, but eventually they are not Chief Executive Officer, they are Chief Everything Officer. They have to put your head down in each and everything. So if you keep a technical person like a virtual CFO, you have no need to worry about the financial control. They have made a well set system so that your financial will be controlled in the best possible ways. Now further, it is not just a financial outsourcing that somebody is coming and just making and writing your books. It is much more than that. You'll get an experienced expert to help all the way, all the way. Every step where you fix the problem is get a support. And all the services are provided by the highly skilled professional like CS and MBAs. So what are you waiting for? Contact us. The number is on your dashboard. Save it. It is most important thing. You can need you'll need it any time in your life to sustain your business. We are happy to meet you. We're happy to solve your problem. So do call, do meet. See you. Thank you.